Scientists ran an experiment. They took seeds of the same plant species. Half they placed in a greenhouse, perfect temperature, watering on schedule, zero wind. The other half they planted in open ground, wind, drought, cold. 3 months later, the greenhouse plants collapsed, literally. Their stems couldn't hold up their own weight, because without resistance, strength doesn't grow. This is called Thigmomorphogenesis, the response to mechanical stress. And in humans, it works exactly the same way. We just don't notice it until we end up in a storm. Block 1. What happens in the brain when life falls apart? When major changes start happening in your life, you lose your job, relationships break down, your familiar identity shatters. The brain perceives this as a threat to survival. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure, fires the alarm signal. Cortisol, adrenaline. You're in full combat readiness mode. But here's what's important. Researchers Tedeschi and Calhoun from the University of North Carolina studied people who had survived the most severe crises: cancer, loss of loved ones, bankruptcies. And they discovered a paradox. A significant portion of them, after the crisis, experienced what is called post-traumatic growth. Not simply returned to how they were before. They became different. They changed their priorities. They discovered new dimensions of themselves. They deepened their relationships. This phenomenon is documented in hundreds of studies, and it has a name: post-traumatic growth. Pain doesn't just pass. Sometimes it rebuilds you. Why everything falls apart all at once. There is one specific moment when crises seem to pile up all at the same time. Psychologist Jack Mezirow called this the disorienting dilemma, the point at which your old belief system stops working. Imagine you've spent your whole life looking at the world through a specific pair of glasses. Job equals security, relationships equal control, money equals worth. And then suddenly, those glasses crack. At this moment, the brain launches a deep reorganization. Neural networks literally rewire themselves. This is called neuroplasticity. And while this rewiring is happening, you are unstable. You feel anxiety for no reason, panic attacks hit you, you have the sensation that you're losing your mind. You're not losing your mind, you're being reorganized. It's exactly during this period that people lose jobs because the old place no longer fits who they're becoming. Relationships break apart because they were built on the old version of you. People leave your circle because social bonds, according to Festinger's research, are built around shared identity. You changed, so who's around you changes too. This is not punishment. This is a system reorganization. Block 3. What to do. 3 science-backed tools. First, stop fighting reality. Stephen Hayes, creator of acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, demonstrated suffering is amplified not by pain itself, but resistance to it. The harder you clench your fists and say, "This shouldn't be happening," the stronger your stress response activates. Acceptance is not weakness. It is the smartest neurobiological choice you can make. Second, search for meaning, not for explanation. Viktor Frankl, who survived a concentration camp and founded logotherapy, said it doesn't matter what happens to you. What matters is what meaning you place into it. Research confirms people who find meaning in a crisis, not those who simply explain it, but those who find actual meaning, recover faster and come out stronger. Third, don't isolate. This goes against instinct, but the data is unambiguous. Social support is one of the single strongest predictors of post-traumatic growth. Asking for help is not weakness. Saying out loud, "I'm struggling right now," is not admitting defeat. It's exactly during this period that people lose jobs, because the old place no longer fits who they're becoming. Relationships break apart because they were built on the old version of you.
People leave your circle because social bonds, according to Festinger's research, are built around shared identity. You changed, so who's around you changes too. This is not punishment. This is a system reorganization.
Remember the greenhouse plants? They had a perfect environment, and they collapsed under their own weight. The stress you're experiencing right now, if you're in it, is not a sign that something went wrong. It's a sign that you are in process. Something inside you is reorganizing. Neurons are building new pathways. Old beliefs are giving way to ones that actually work. Science calls this growth. You can call it whatever you want. The main thing, don't run from it. Don't anesthetize it. Don't wait for it to pass on its own. Walk into it with your eyes wide open, because on the other side, there's another version of you, and it's already waiting. If this video found you at a moment when things are hard right now, that's not a coincidence. Hit like so the algorithm can show this to someone who needs it right now, and write one word in the comments, what you're going through at this moment. Just one word. You'll be surprised how many people write the exact same thing.